Most of our vocabularies in Yoruba are gotten from our parts of the body, right? So we're going to take each of these parts and then explain what they mean in Yoruba. So the first on the list is Ori. Ori. So Ori is going to take three parts because we have loads of words that we've derived from Ori apart from being head. Shall we begin? Eh. Ori. Ori is head, Ori head. Ori also is destiny in Yoruba. Ori is destiny, creator. And the head of a place is also Ori. Ori. So you now say, oh, Ori ni mi, I'm the head. Mi ò kìí ṣe ìrù, I'm not the tail, right? So Ori is the head. Ori is creator. Ori is destiny, right? And in breaking the Ori down in the documentary, we'll explain what the Ori also in a sub heading for Ori. But in this space, we are just giving an overview of what we use Ori and different ways of using it. So Ori is head. Then you can have Ori Ire. Ori Ire is good fortune or literally good head. Ori Ire, good fortune or literally good head. You can have Ori Ibu. Ori Ibu is bad head, like being unfortunate. Ori Ibu, this person, it has a bad head. Oni Ori Ibu, so Ori Ibu. So you can ni Ori. Apart from Ori, you can ni Ori. Ni means to have, right? Ni Ori means to have a head, which can be contrasted to Lori. So ni Ori, Lori. Lori can be on something or someone, like Lori lay on the building, Lori lay on the floor, Lori Akpata on the rock. So you heard songs like Lori Oke, Ni Petele, Lori le. You see, Lori is on, right? So Lori on. Lori can also mean to be responsible for something or someone, right? Lori, like, see, Lori is on you. You are responsible for it. Kò sí lórí mi o, it's not on me o, right? So whatever happens is on you. Nǹkan tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ wà lórí ẹ is on you, right? Kò sí lórí mi o. So Lori can be on, like to be responsible for something. Mo fẹ́ ra oúnjẹ fún ẹ. Lórí mi. So Lori mi, Lori orúkọ mi, on my name. So Lori is on to be responsible for something. And Lori can also be about or concerning something. Lori nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lánàá about what happened yesterday. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí nǹkan tí à ń sọ, what happened on what we're saying. So Lori one on a particular thing. Lori to be responsible for something or someone. Then Lori about, concerning something. Lori can also be a word we coin for Lori lọ́wọ́. That means Lori lọ́wọ́ mi ni o. That means you are important, you are valuable to me. Tí n bá ní kò yẹ kí n wá sí kíláàsì lénìí. I shouldn't come to class today, but ṣùgbọ́n olórí lọ́wọ́ mi, you are so valuable in my hand. So you can lórí lọ́wọ́. Nítorí olórí lọ́wọ́ mi ni o, n bá má wá o, right? And because I value you. If not that, I would not have come, right? So you can lórí. So from there, we move to olórí. Oni, Ori. Oni, Ori, the one that is the head, the one that has the head, the one that is the head of a place or a group. So you now say Olori Ile. the head of the family, so the father in our clan. Then olórí ìjọ, the head of a church or a religious organization, right? Olórí ìlú can be the head of a town, the king. Olórí orílẹ̀-èdè is the head of a country, the president, ààrẹ. So olórí. So you can then have olóríire, someone with a good fortune, someone, a successful person in Yoruba is olóríire, the one that has a good head. Olóríire ni mí. So you have these songs like olóríire da èmi rè o, that means Tani, where's olóríire, right? Hey, I'm here, right? So you can have olóríire. That's why you can also have olóríbú. Olóríire is someone with a good head, a successful person, olóríire. Then you can then have olóríbú, an unfortunate person, a blockhead, someone who is stupid, in that class, unfortunate, blockhead, stupid, unreasonable, olóríbú. Then you can then, that's where you get the word ẹ kú oríire. Ẹ kú oríire is congratulations. Ẹ kú oríire o, congratulations o, ẹ kú oríire o. So you can say, then it can be sarcastic. You can say, oh, ẹ kú oríbú o, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́, ẹ kú oríbú. So maybe some people are doing something unbecoming, something rubbish, that you want to let them know that you see them. They'll be like, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o, ẹ kú oríbú o. So you're in shoshi, you are doing rubbish. Ẹ kú oríbú is, that one is, that's been sarcastic. So ẹ kú oríire. In that space, then you can say ṣe orí. Ṣe orí. Ṣe orí. Ṣe means to do head or to use as head or to be fortunate. So how do you use that? Somebody, kí ló fi ṣorí? That means, what is your trade secret? What is it that is working for you? Kí ló fi ṣe orí? Now they said now. So what are you made of that things are working for you in this form? It can also be in the negative, right? So if you say, this time that they are retrenching people, that they are laying people off, that's the time you're getting promotion. Kí ló fi ṣorí? Like, what are you using? What's your soap? What's the soap you are using? Cut soap for me now. Kí ló fi ṣorí? So in this time that they are laying people off from work, this is the time that you're getting promotion. Kí ló fi ṣorí? Right. What are you using? Right. What is it that they use to configure your head that is so different from the rest? Right. Kí ló fi ṣorí? Now, that's where you get the expression of kí ni ọ̀bọ fi ṣorí tí náà kí ó ṣe. What is it that they use to configure a monkey that a chimpanzee does not have? Because they are in the same class. So you have a Taiwo and a Kende. You give Taiwo $50 and you give Kende $100. Kí ni Taiwo fi ṣorí tí Kende ò ṣe? Kí ni Kende fi ṣorí tí Taiwo ò ṣe? That means, what is it that makes the other person different? Right? It can also be in the negative, like people are getting promotion, you are not getting. Kí ni ó fi ṣorí? Right. So, and like, what is it that is working against you? What were you configured with that is working against you? So that is ṣe orí. Kí ló fi ṣorí? Ṣorí. Then you can have sí orí. Now, before I leave ṣorí, right? Then they pray for people and say, "O máa ṣe oríire." That means you'll be successful. Oh, ní ṣoríbú, you will not be unfortunate, right? So o lè ṣoríire, o lè ṣoríbú. Now you can have sí orí, literally it's like lórí, sí orí, to the head. gbé sí orí tábìlì, put it on the table, right? Gbé sórí mi, so you have gbé sórí to make something that is not yours. That means to put it on your head. Kí ló dé tí o gbé ọ̀rọ̀ mi sórí? Why do you put my matter on your head? Oh, gbé sórí. Kí ló dé tó gbé sórí? Why do you put it on your head? So gbé sórí can be so literal, like you put something on your head like this. You gbé sórí. Gbé sórí can also be that you carry another person's matter, you put it on your head, in your mind, in your heart. So kí ló dé tó gbé sórí? It's my own. Why are you the one acting up? Kí ló dé tó gbé sórí? Right. So when you say, why are you acting up? Kí ló dé tó gbé sórí? Right. Then you can dá orí. Dá means to control. For example, dá means to pour. So if I'm pouring water into a mug or a jug, I have to dá. So when you dá orí, that means to control someone or something. Dá orí. So that's why you hear songs like wá darí ayọ̀ mi síbi tí mo wà, ọba tí ń darí afẹ́fẹ́. Do you get it? Right. So come and direct my joy to where I am. You are the king that directs the winds, right? So darí, that's why a director is called adarí or olùdarí. So ta ni olùdarí níbí báyìí? Who is the director here? Ta ni adarí níbí? Who is the director here? So darí, lè darí mi, you cannot control me. Right. Kí ló dé tó fẹ́ darí mi? Why do you want to control me? Why do you want to be in charge? They want to direct the affairs. Darí. Then you can yẹ orí. That's why yẹrí, that means to dodge, to avoid, right? Something or someone. Kí ló dé tó ń yẹrí? Why are you dodging? Bó ṣe fẹ́ gbá etí mi, mo yẹrí. As she wants to slap me or he wants to slap me, I dodge it. Right. So yẹ orí, that means yẹrí also can be to dodge responsibility. Kí ló dé? Òun yẹ orí. Mo fẹ́ kó ra iPhone fún mi, òun yẹrí. That means I want you to buy iPhone for me. You're avoiding, you're dodging what you should do, right? After yẹrí, you can also gbọ̀n orí. Gbọ̀n means to shake. Gbọ̀nrí man is to refuse something, like whether to shake your head literally or to refuse something, like mi ò gbà. I'm not accepting that. Why are you shaking your head in disapproval, in refusal, right? So that is gbọ̀nrí. Gbọ̀nrí that means like to refuse to do something. Mo gbọ̀nrí, mo yari. So you can yaori, you can gbọ̀nrí. Yari means to, ya means to separate, to detach. Ya ori, that means to dodge it, to avoid something, to refuse to do something. It's also ya ori. So let's see, ya ori. Let's write it right. Ori. So that's where yari. Mo yari o, mo yari dele. That means I refuse to the call. Right. So ole ya ori. Then ole bori. Bori, that means to conquer, to win, literally to cover your head. So bori means to talo bori, who won the match? Talo bori, who won the election? Talo bori. Right. And then you can lo ori. Lo ori. Lo means to use, to take advantage of someone or something, or to use someone or something to use someone's brain. See, lórí ẹ, use your brain. Lo orí ẹ, use your brain, use your senses. See, tó bá lórí ẹ, wọ́n máa lórí ẹ fún ẹ o. That is, if you don't use your senses, they will use your head for you. They will use your senses for you, right? So, ó yẹ kó máa lórí ẹ. You should be using your senses. So, lo orí, right? So, this is the first part of this Ori. We have 2, we have 3, we have 4, because Ori is so broad that like many vocabularies are gotten from this one word, Ori. Right, so in the next video, we'll start from where Ori. Right, great. So can you use at least 5 of these words in sentences? And let me see what you have. Right, so listen to this over and again and to really comprehend it. Right, boom,